Check this out. Midas or blue devil, I mean fucking whatever that shit is, red devil and parrot breeding. That shit is crazy, ain't it? The boy is smaller than the female when they're breeding. Look at that. I don't know what it will look like, but they are breeding. Big parrot and a little dicky ass male. Oh, watch out, watch out, here comes another female. What you wanna do, female? You jealous? Man, look at that. They're breeding. Don't know if fertilized, but yeah. Let's hope so. Let me use macro. What's macro? Macro's right here. Booyah, macro. Get closer. See that? Yeah, look crazy. Breeding. Parrot and red devil. Or maybe he's a midas. I don't know. But he has a coke. His coke shrunk. But yeah. This shit's gonna be hella crazy. Alright, Scooby-Doo. Let them do the thing. Later.